Hi, this is Matt. I had a Central Station on back order from Marklin, a distributor, for about a year and a half. It's finally here, so I'm happy about that. It's the 6215, and I'm still learning how to operate it. And I've got 23 engines in the Central Station, and over my old mobile station with my Swiss starter that I had, it had about, I think, 10 that you could program in. So it's a much superior product for that, and there's a lot of things it can do. Probably I'll never learn how to do everything it can do, but it's really nice. And the other thing that I just got back was an engine from Alex at DC Trains. He's upgraded several of these engines. This VR18 right here is on the Rheingold train. He put sound in that unit, that engine for me. And the Ludmilla that's coming up the way here with the Bundeswehr, the German Army, modern German Army train. I'm going to pull that up here and show you some of the nice sound functions it has now. Hear that nice horn. It even has a whistle over here. So you can see it has like a blower motor. There's a whistle. It's really nice with the sound. That's the first engine I have that's a modern diesel that makes noise. All the rest of the engines I have that make noise are the locomotive steams, which are my favorite, but I also have quite a few other engines now. A real nice addition. Thank you very much to Alex at DC Trains. If you ever need your trains upgraded or decoders put in, I highly suggest you contact him in Cincinnati, Ohio. And thanks for watching.